Hello, I am Madhusmita. I am a twin flame ascension coach. I am a divine masculine. I am on my life purpose to expand the knowledge of twin flame harmonious union and also support the journey of souls who are on their healing path to their harmonious union. So, my today I am going to share the topic. I have named it like in billions I seek you only. That's exactly we do, right? We seek our twin flame in billions of people around us. That's so beautiful, right? Why first thing is you manifest your twin flame harmonious union by doing the inner work. You don't have to do any external work or any control activity, or even you don't try effort to manipulate the person's feeling also. You just manifest this beautiful gift of your soul just by loving yourself unconditionally, right? You can take the energy of Radha and Krishna. You know how their energies are. They never try to control each other. They were always with each other, being when they were together, even if they were separate. But the beauty of twin flame harmonious union is you are going to manifest your twin flame, and once you make your choice that you are going to partner your life purpose with your twin flame in eternity, and you are going to choose the union in eternity, you will not be physically separated. Okay, so that's the beauty of it. And when you are healing your journey, always include this component that you are healing it for eternity. It should not happen like you're meeting and then aparting, then meeting and then something is happening. So come out of that cycle. That is actually not true. The runner and chaser dynamic actually is not true. The more you become centered with your energy, that dynamic stops immediately. Okay, so in billions I seek you only, because it's me, right? It's only me, and I am seeking myself. And I know, when I know deeper and deeper who I am, I recognize my twin flame very beautifully, right? You can see in culture, in our culture specifically, how the relationships are currently. There are still pockets in India where the dowry system is there. The life partner is, people are manifesting life partner, and also taking that money. And here you are manifesting your twin flame, such a beautiful gift of your life. Like it's exactly like you in another body. It's somebody that who is going to love you unconditionally, like the way you are. They are not going to judge you how you are going to how you are talking, or how you look. Are you thin or are you fat? uh, nothing, nothing of that. That's why this love is so divine, so pure, and it worth to invest your energy. It worth to pursue this journey till completion, till you actually get into the manifestation. It is always said that, even even I believe that, like till the last energy drop, if I'm going to have that last drop of energy to do my healing, I will do that. I have done that on my whole path, and I will keep doing that till I manifest my twin flame in the physical reality. And and else, then what is the point, right? If you are not serious about it, or if you are not committed about, not serious, it is all about your commitment. It is a simple commitment, right? It's a very simple commitment that you are giving to your husband or your wife, right? Your divine wife. And that worth it, right? It's a beautiful relationship that is eternal, and somewhere something had happened, that's why the separation is there. But that doesn't mean that we cannot make it out, right? We can make it out, because the moment you make this choice within your heart, your twin flame is going to feel it, and in billions also they are going to start that's uh, journey towards you. The more you seek them within your heart, they feel that and they start to seek you only. They may get confused with different people, like I have also done that, you might have done that, but the seeking will not stop if you don't stop that within yourself, if you don't numb out to that feeling within yourself. Because the depth of love that you hold within your heart, you can only share that with your twin flame. So it doesn't matter if even if you have a very handsome or very beautiful karmic partner in your life, they are not going to make you feel fulfilled, not going to make you feel complete, because your soul is desiring the complement, that the complement half of your divine expression. So it's not going to be filled by anyone else. So that's how beauty of your relationship with your twin flame. And before you get into the physical manifestation of harmonious union, you make this journey energetically within yourself. Within yourself you make it happen, and then you manifest that externally. And I can share from my perspective, like I am a divine masculine, right? If you are a divine feminine, you must be having upset about your divine masculine not connecting with you, making you feel rejected, and you sometimes feel like like they don't even they are not there for you. But I'm telling you, deep within their heart, they seek you only. But if the energies between both of you are not healed, so they will never be able to get magnetized towards you. So when you are conscious about this healing, you do your part and they will do their part. Naturally they will do their part, because their soul will guide them to the things. They, like, once you pursue seriously about your spiritual healing, they will naturally feel attracted towards doing spiritual healing for themselves in some or other way. It doesn't matter, like if they are doing through a twin flame thing directly, even if they are totally not aware about twin flame thing, but they will slowly inclined towards universe. They will slowly seek what God is, because this relationship is all about you, God, all about you and God. It's not about the people, it's not about both of you. The more you bond with God, the more you create your relationship with universe, you see that reflection in your twin flame, and it's only God through them who is going to love you. Okay, so it is so beautiful, it is so beautiful, and it is just one person. It is just one person in the billion people that you are seeing around you. And it's easy to just work upon yourself and don't care where they are. They will come to you, universe will bring them towards you. Okay, so just focus on your heart. Whatever upsets are coming, just do the mirror exercise, and that will help you to heal. And it is always good that you seek your support, because breaking our pattern, even to recognize our misaligned pattern, becomes difficult, becomes very difficult. Even after I am doing my healing, It's been 2.5 years where I have been seriously into healing my blocks. I will share, like, make another videos with all the blocks that I have healed. I have two coach. Even if every day I master my energy, I master my consciousness, there is still some block that will reflected back to me by my twin flame, and then I feel lost. There is always something that will come to your consciousness, and then you will feel lost. So it is always good that you work with a coach and you heal your relationship with God. Okay, so there is no shame or guilt about working on yourself to heal your relationship with your creator, because through that what you are doing is you are recognizing who you are within yourself, and you are trying to be one with that. And that when that happens, then the union in the external is going to happen. Okay, so it doesn't matter whether who is having a harmonious union or not, because the path is all about you becoming one with God. So it's healing the relationship between you and your creator, and to understand deeply who you are, and then radiating from that point, then just allowing God to flow from that point. That's it. That's so beautiful. So keep healing. Seek your one in billions. Thank you.